Hi everyone, welcome to Blackhawk Studio. Let's get started. Open your DaVinci Resolve. Give a name for your project. Select the folder tab. Add your media to the folder. Jump over to the other tab. Select your media. First, add your background to the timeline. This is the background we are using to clone. We will paste all our clones in this background. So this is our background footage. So leave it there. I don't need the audio, so I'm deleting the audio. Just turn this off so you will not get the audio from all that footage. Select your footage. Make sure it all stays in a line because we need to go through all this footage and make a clone individually. Point the pointer to the footage that you need to clone and jump over to the color tab and select the pen tool and draw and mask around the footage like that. And don't forget, you need to jump over this tab and press right click and add alpha output and just drag this blue dot to the other blue dot and we got a mask. So let's go back. Yeah, we got a mask right here. So we are doing the same process. I'll make it fast. Okay, I think I got all our footage masked, and we will be placing all our footage above the background. So drag and place it above the background like that. But you can see some problems over here, and there. Click the footage that causing the problem. Yeah, this is the footage, and drag it out and place the pointer and jump over to the color tab and just increase the softness and go back and place the footage there and check. Drag the footage out and just place the pointer and jump over to the color tab and increase the softness. Yeah, and keep it back there and check. Yeah, I think the shadow is almost gone. You can see that. So we can do the same in here. So select the footage. So this is the footage that causing the shadows. You can just adjust that. I think the problem is over, guys. You can see that the shadow is no more. So you can decrease the softness little bit to reduce the white color. We can fix this. You can see the white part. I think adding a little more points will be good. you can drag it around. So I think it's almost perfect, not that perfect. So I think that's good. So if you need to color, make sure you select all of the footage and right click, compound clip, create. So it's all in one piece. Yeah, it's good to see. So jump over to the color tab and you can add your favorite preset or you can just make your own color. Yeah, that's it. Jump over to the rendering queue and make sure you selected all, file name, location, and choose your format to MP4 and add to render and click start render. So it will take some time. Our render is ready. Just right click and reveal it in the Finder.